Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Outlook app not working or Outlook app crashing on Android phone. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to tap and hold the Outlook app icon, then go to app info, then click on storage usage, and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. And then launch Outlook app, log into your account and check if it is working or not, or the crashing issue has been fixed or not. If not, then tap and hold Outlook app, then click on uninstall option, and then again click on uninstall to uninstall it. Then open Chrome browser, here search for Outlook up to down, tap on it, then open the first result, Microsoft Outlook up to down website. Scroll down, click on older version, scroll down, then download the August 17 APK file. Scroll down, tap on download, click on download anyway, and once this Microsoft Outlook app APK get downloaded from the up to down website, click on it and install it. And after installing it, open the Outlook app, log into your account and check crashing problem is fixed or not, or Outlook app not working problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.